So very good afternoon, students. Is my voice clear?
Yes, sir.
Thank you, Shraddha. So are you able to see the screen?
Yes, sir.
Right. So today we are going to open with a new chapter, and the name of the chapter is Fundamental Right under Indian Constitution. And here we will go with this first basic chapter of fundamental rights. In actual sense, fundamental rights have been given from Article 12 to Article 35, out of which today we are going to see two articles of this fundamental right. And here, first of all, we have to see that what do you mean by state. So this is the question, basic question for you. What do you mean by state? Do you know any one of you what is state? Please type in the chat box. Yes, Amit, Mayuri and Purva, they have said yes, sir. How many of you are knowing the state combination of district? Very good, one answer. Any other answer from anyone? This is a general question. You can write what you know regarding the state, so that we will discuss regarding what exactly the state is. Make it fast, make it fast. Okay, no one wants to answer. Fine. So, in actual sense, the state which has been defined in Article 12 according to Indian Constitution is that the state here means, and it includes the government and parliament of India and government and legislature of each of the states, and all local or other authorities within the territory of India or under the control of government of India. So here state is defined in such a way where government, number one, parliament of India, number two, government and legislature of each state, number three, and such all local or other authorities within the territory of India and under the control of the government of India, they are treated to be state. So here we'll see bifurcation of this definition which has been given in article 12. Here first, the government, that is union executives, and parliament of India, that is union legislature, it is also called as an state by combination of these both two. Second, at state level, state executives, that is government, state government of each state, and legislature of each state, that is the state legislature, combination of these two is also called as state. Now, along with this, the definition says that local or other authorities within the territory of India and or under the control of government of India. Now, first of all, we have to see that what is territory of India. The territory of India shall comprises of the territories of the states, the union territories specified in the first schedule, and such other territories as may be acquired by India. So there are number of states, there are number of territories which are coming under the uh, map of India. India is consisting of different territories, though those are called as an states. Union territories are specified in the first schedule, those are called as the state, and other such territories, those has been acquired by India, during their lifetime. So all of them are coming under the territory of India, and the territory of India is fixed by a line, and within which, what do you call it, as an border, that border is fixed, and those borders are uh, protected by our soldiers. So this territory of India is consisting of territories of the state, the union territory specified in the first schedule, and such other territories as may be acquired. So recently, the best example is that we have acquired the new territory. In all the laws previously, the law related to Jammu Kashmir was somewhat different, but nowadays all the laws which are applied to we people are same, in the same manner applied to Jammu and Kashmir. So few of the part is of union territory, and half of the part is of uh, India. Now these are the union territories and territories of India. Now we have to see along with this that local and other authorities. So first of all, we will see the local authorities, and then we will see the other authorities to whom we are able to call it as an state. So if you have followed till this, please type followed in the chat box. Great. Now, uh, in this way, there are different states in India. There are different people, that is artificial people are also there, who are able to call as a state. So first of all, we will see the local authorities who are treated to be the state. So according to subsection 31 of section 3 of the General Clause Act 1897, this is one act under which all the definitions has been given regarding Indian constitution and many other laws. So if anywhere the definition is not going to be get found, uh, our Indian people are coming to this General Clause Act, and where they are dealing with this definitions. So according to section 3 subclause 31 of General Clause Act 1897, local authorities shall mean a municipal committee. According to that act, what it is saying, that it is a municipal committee. Second, it is a district board, that is also called as in state, body of commissioner, that is also called as in state, other authority legally entitled to or entrusted by the government within the control or management of a municipal or local fund. So here one has to see that these all things which has been mentioned or specified under the definition is treated to be the state. So local authorities consisting of municipal committee, district board, body of commissioner, or other authority legally entitled or entrusted by the government. So these are such bodies which are controlled or managed by municipal or local funds. So municipality become also a state. Now, according to our Indian constitution, local government local government has been defined according to entry 5 of the list second of the 7th schedule, which has been given in our Indian constitution, and there it is saying that local government includes municipal corporation, it is also a state, improvement trust, it is also a state, district boards, which is already came over here also in section 3 subclause 31. District boards are there. Then along with this, in many states there are minings uh, of different things, that is coal mining, lead mining, and etc minings are there, where uh, if any dispute has been arised, there a mining settlement authorities are appointed by the government, and those are called mining settlement authorities. These mining settlement authorities are also called as in state, and such other local authorities for the purpose of local self government or for the village administration as well, it is also treated as the state. Further, it is said that village panchayat is also included within the meaning of the term local authorities. So, a village panchayat is also acting as a state under the government of India or a particular state government. So, local authorities are also treated as state according to a definition which has been given under the General Clause Act 1897, subsection 31 of section 3, and secondly, that has been defined under 7th schedule, entry 5, list second. Now, along with this, we have to see other authorities to whom which we are able to call as state. So, uh, there is one case, Electricity Board versus Mohanlal, AIR 1967, Supreme Court 1857. Here, in this particular case, the Supreme Court has held that the term other authorities includes all the authorities created by the Constitution or by the statute and on whom powers are conferred by the law. So, whether or not they are engaged in the law or engaged in the performing governmental functions or may not be, but still they are treated to be law. Thus, it is almost settled that the constitutional or the statutory authorities on whom the powers have been conferred by the law are included within the meaning of the term other authority. So, other authority in this case of electricity board. Now here the decision has been given in the case of electricity board versus Mohanlal. So here electricity board is also a state because it comes under other authorities. So there are number of such authorities which has been appointed or added by our Indian Constitution under the term other authorities. So, for example, Oil and Natural Gas Corporation, LIC of India, SBI Bank. So, these all are what? These all are one kind of state and they can take their own decision, and for that purpose they have been made a state under other authorities. So, here we are having five different views to talk about the word state. Government executives, that is union executives, and parliament of India, that is union legislature, they are state. Secondly, government, that is state executives of each state, and legislature of the state, that is the state legislature, they are called as a state. Thirdly, local or other authorities within the territory of India under whom under the control of government of India. So local authorities and other authorities are also treated as an state. So if you have followed, please type followed in the chat box.